Yeah, I bounced back. Abu Bamba and Sheikh Ibrahim Niasse from Senegal, like not just because of the religious attachment, but the spiritual attachment, how applicable the stuff they were doing, and you can actually go through history, documented actual history to see the situation in Senegal before this community shows up in the situation after the fact, and they show up and they kept exactly what we lost over here, their culture, their history, and their spirituality. And they were able to build themselves back up. It's a perfect blueprint that we can use over here.
Sheikh Abdul Bamba, that's what you consider your master teacher?
Master teacher, griot, Marabou, Sheikh, Babalawo, the titles mean the same thing. Titles mean the same thing. Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba. Do you black mind a favor and type that in online? CheikAhmadouBamba. I don't know too many other people that done wrote over 1,300 books over the course of.
Malachi York.
Oh yeah, he wrote Malachi York.
Right, a whole bunch of cut and paste stuff though. But I was gonna ask you when we were just talking about cut and paste. But you know, we were talking about the title of Muhammad is Sheikh. Is that Sufi stuff? Is that a Sufi title? Or?
Man, no, it's actually plain as day. Well, I won't say plain as day in the Quran, but it's right there. Just have to kind of pull it and piece it together. So we call Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and he came to correct our adab, and adab is an Arabic word that means character, ethics, morals, way of life, natural way of being, all in accordance with the teachings of the Quran, the Sunnah, the Hadith. And if we 100% embody all of those teachings and principles to exude them in our daily life, walk, talk, actions, then I'm now a person who is producing praiseworthy actions. From one of the previous videos, Mu meaning one who is, and Hamd means praiseworthy. So now, based on me embodying certain principles and teachings that he taught, I can become a praiseworthy person in regards to the process it takes to reach this particular station. So at that point, it's a title, and it's described as such in the Quran, but it's not like plain as day. You know, you're not gonna find it in one ayah. This means this. Here's the secret. You know.
Oh yeah, that's something you got. So that's like is that something that you try to attain in Islam?
Yeah, it's an attain.
To be a sheikh.
You following your prophet, like for people who traverse the Bible, they're really trying to do and be and act and carry themselves just like Jesus. And if they carry themselves just like Jesus, peace be upon them, then those actions can get them closer to God. It's about the same process. You know, someone that can meditate on what Christ was talking about in the garden to Thomas can attain Christ consciousness, or someone who can understand what Muhammad was teaching to the Sahaba or his companions on the inside can attain a praiseworthy state or station just like he was, peace be upon him, and all the other messengers. They all came with something that we can use.
I've been official, big dog in the yard, voted most likely to murder every birthday.